How to connect this touch smartwatch with Bluetooth settings and connect it to a Samsung phone with Android 14. And let's go ahead and get started. This is the iTouch smartwatch and it has different names for it too. So if your watch looks like this here, then this is the video for you. So simply while you're viewing the time here, you'll swipe going up like this here. And when you start to see these little tiles here, you'll just keep going to the left or right until you find the one with the Bluetooth toggle, which is this one right here, okay? This BT1 here. When you tap on it one time, you'll see this here show up, and you'll tap on where it says Search BT. Once you tap on that the first time, it'll ask you to turn on your Bluetooth settings. Then press yes. It's going to switch it on for you, and just give it a few seconds, and it's going to say it's searching. So while it's doing that now, you just go ahead and rest that down. And on your Samsung phone here, this is going to work the same for Android 12, 13. This is an Android 14 smartwatch. I'm sorry, an Android 14 Samsung phone here. And you'll go into the Bluetooth settings right there. Okay, so you'll long press that. Then go to where it says details so you can get a better view of what's going on here. Then turn it on. And it's going to start searching for nearby devices. Then you'll notice it's going to show up as the name. So mine is the iTouch Air, and you'll also see the name of it show up on the watch. So to avoid confusion here, I would recommend that you go into the watch itself, tap on it one time, and it's going to say pairing. You'll get this pairing request here on the phone itself. So press yes or pair if yours says yes. And then if you wanted to allow it to contacts, it's up to you. You can press allow here, and it's going to show you that it's connected for calls. So this is going to allow you to use your smartwatch for calls, okay? And you'll know that it's connected to this particular device name on your watch when you see that little icon right here, okay? And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out, and like and sub, okay?